Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can easily enable cross-site tracking in Safari. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments after watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let's get into this topic. And right away, I want to say that the cross-site tracking feature in your web browser is a very handy feature that helps all the sites you visit collect information from you and provide you with things that you're likely to like or things that you might need. So it's a very handy feature like that. So, in order to enable it, you will need to go into your phone settings. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom, find Safari, click on it. Next, in Safari, you scroll down to the bottom, and you need to find a feature like this. It's cross-site tracking, and if you have it disabled, then you just need to activate it by clicking on the button. And in this very simple way, in this very simple motion, you will immediately enable cross-site tracking in Safari. Friends, I really hope this video has helped you. Please put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.